record our session so I can see it later if we talk any important things. Okay, so yes, I have seen your website and your requirement was you want to do the search engine optimization for your website. লাগাই দাও তো, sound টা কমাই দিয়ে আসো। And okay, so if I will move to your website, like as with the course, then it is on the same page, webinar also the same page. And your website layout, I think little bit we need to work on it because we need to make the website more professional. And under the client, you have the logos, that's very great. And about as well, let me check the blog. Okay, it will not, it should not go look like that way. You can see when I click blog, then it's
Yeah.
going to a new tab and then opening it. It should go on the same window, not look like that. Okay, and
Okay.
you can see the button here. It's not looking so much good because it's cut off
Yeah.
from the both side. So yeah, and I think for the search engine optimization, look like that way you have done the website. It's only one page, but when we will do the search engine optimization, I think we can make the multi-page website. Like as for the course, we'll have an individual page, so we will get more space to do the search engine optimization for your website. Like as the text, the keyword, we can place a good way. I have my own website as well on Wix, so when anyone searches on Google with Wix expert, then you can see my website is come up there. And
Yeah.
uh, sometime it's on the first page, sometime it's go on the fourth or sixth number of the ranking. So yes, I have done my website as well with the Wix, and you can see the designs, the buttons are very well, and the layout is looking something look like that professional, and the
Mm-hmm.
font size and the font spacing, the line spacing, and everything is aligned, I think. So for your website, we need to make your website at first looking more professional. If I will go to my website, I can show you my some of the recent project. If I will go to under the portfolio, this website I have done some days ago, you can see very clean and very focused with the content.
Mm-hmm.
If I will go to the next one, let me go to this one. Somehow they're not working. Let me go to this one. Stone Pack. Yes, I was done this website some days ago. And you can see the contents are very aligned and looking professional. When we will submit our website to Google to rank on Google search result, then Google robot will check the website layout at first, how looking is it
Uh-huh.
the accessibility and other things is good or not. And as well as we need to make sure our website is fully mobile responsive. Let me check your website on my mobile so I can understand it more better. Let me go from here once again. Let me check how it's looking on the mobile. Yes, on the mobile, you can see the buttons here, like is the cut off from the both side.
Okay.
And the buttons font is very big.
Uh-huh.
So I think for your website to rank on Google, we need to make a multi-page website. Like as for the course, we'll have an individual page. For the webinar, we'll have an individual page because Google Robot or Google want more information based website. And you have a blog page. This is very, very helpful things because when you will continuously upload the blogs on your website, then it will boost up for the ranking.
Okay.
Because when your website will have more information, then you will get more traffic from Google and it will rank day by day.
Okay.
Okay, so and on the blog page, when anyone move, then there have nothing here to go to the webinar, the course. So we need to make sure the visitor will visit the website, all page will be available so they can navigate on every page. So you can see when I'm going to block the other pages from
Uh,
here, hide. So if anyone go to back to the webinar page or the course page, then how they will find you.
okay.
So
Okay.
yes, we need to fix that. And the buttons are not the same size everywhere because here is the buttons is very big and
Mm-hmm.
here the buttons you can see the buttons we need more padding from the left, from the top and
Okay.
bottom, so it will be more clickable. And yeah, I think we can update that. And for the logos, this is looking good, but I think we can do something more interactive. The logo will be scroll automatically or something look like that. So we can reduce the spacing here.
Okay.
And obviously we can make your image something bigger, something look like that. Let me go to my home page. I'm talking about the layout. So you can see
Yeah.
if we will do something look like that way, your about us, left side will be your picture, right side will be the information, then I think it will be more better to look.
Okay.
And the forum, obviously, we can make it more interactive because your website main goal is people will knock you. So obviously we need to make sure the forum is more clickable. Like yes, on my website, if I will go, then if I will go to the contact us space, then you can see the forum is very direct. They will fill up their information in a good way. But on
Yeah.
your website, it's good, but they are very uh like as name, email, the subject, and here is the send button is very small. And obviously we need to make the phone clickable, like as when anyone click the phone number, then it will go directly on their phone app or they can knock you on your WhatsApp as well.
Uh-huh.
So we need to
Okay.
make it
Okay.
clickable. And the email already here, the clickable, it's fine, very great, but the phone number should be more
Okay.
clickable. And the main things that we need to do, we need to make the logo more smaller because it's like it's not a high quality picture. Maybe
Mm.
we need a high quality of your logo picture. And as well as at the very top, uh, menu should be more professional, I think.
Okay.
And yeah, that's it. And for the every page, we need to make separate page.
Yes. Okay.
So
Okay. So And if you do all those things, you think it will improve the SEO?
Yeah, at first we need to make sure that our website layout is good. When the layout will be good, the visitor will not bounce from your website. They will visit
Mm-hmm.
your website smoothly.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no, it sounds good. I mean, my main concern though is cost because I was only really at this stage looking to improve SEO, not to change or update the whole website.
If you want to do look like that way the search engine optimization, I think as you are spending the money on your website, so I think from the scratch you need to go the right way, because when you will
Mm-hmm.
do the search engine optimization now, and when you will after like yes 1 month or 2 months you can see your website UI or UX, the user experience is not good, then if you will update the website again, obviously you will update the text and everything, so then you need to do the search engine optimization again. When you will update the
Okay, okay.
picture, so we need to put the pictures alt text, alter text. So SEO have some of the things that you need to do. So I think from the scratch, if you will go to the right way, it will be good for you. But if you
Mm-hmm.
want to do look like that way, the search engine optimization, it will work, but not will be very good.
Okay.
It's up to you.
Okay, so
And
now that gives me some, yeah, no,
yeah,
carry on.
and the main things is the blog. When anyone go to the blog page, they they can't see the other pages here. It's very important because you can see on my website when I'm going to the blog page, the header part is same. They can go to any page whenever they
Uh-huh.
want. But on your website, when anyone click blog, then they have no option to go to the other page.
Yeah, yeah, I'm with you. Understand it.
And on the blog page, I think you can choose another layout. So on the first look, we can see only two blog posts here. So we can make something look like that. So they can see on the first look 6 blog.
Uh-huh.
So it will
Okay.
increase your visitors' interest, I think.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Muna, can you give me an idea of the costs, or do you want to send that to me?
Yeah, sure. I can let you know in the call. No problem. Let me check 1 second. I
Okay.
think for your website, if do you want the whole website redesign the cost with search engine optimization or only the search engine optimization?
No, I think both, just to look at, just to give me an idea would be
Okay,
useful.
okay,
Yeah.
I understand. Okay, so for your website, that we need, here is the website. We need to redesign it and home about course. So the pages will be home about course, webinars, and the clients, webinars, clients, contact, contact. And we need to do the SEO. Okay, so the website redesign cost will be, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. Generally, I charge if I will move to my the classic editor package because I have seen your website made by Wix, the classic editor.
Hmm.
So here I have 2 to 5 pages website. Here is the cost,
Okay.
500 USD, obviously. And for the search engine optimization, I have not included here. Generally, I take for the 6 pages website 300 USD. So if you want them separately, then it will be 500 plus 300, totally 100 USD. And we can negotiate that as well, no problem. And you will get from me 60 days free support. Like as after done the website, if you face any issue with your website, you can get back to me within 60 days and you will get a free service. There will be no
Hmm.
additional charge in this time. And later, if you want to include any other functionality on your website, then there will be some small charge. So I have seen you have the course tab, but you have not the course functionality on your website. So if you want that, you want to do the, you can see the header just change. It's look like I am on the
Yeah.
another website now. So the header should be the same on every page.
Okay.
So yes, I can see here your course details, the picture cut off. We can sh showcase them more professional way, and the text
Hmm.
is not much visible, so it's an accessibility issue. We need to make sure the text is more readable.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can see you have here back to main page. We don't need to put that. Your logo will be there, and on this page you have not your logo. So this is a
Uh-huh.
missing, I think, because when anyone visit your website, they can understand, oh, I move another website or this is the same website because I can't see the logo or something look like that.
Right, right. Okay. No, Muna, that sounds great. I mean, I must be honest, at this stage, I wasn't looking to spend so much money. But I need to give it some thought. And yeah, I do appreciate your input, just and your time as well. But
Yeah, and
I think,
uh, this is not the final cost. We can uh, talk about that, and as well as for my client, I provide the installment things as well. Like as if you are a startup, or like as you don't want to spend the money at once, so
uh-huh.
obviously you can take a 3 month or 6 month installment from me, like as you want to give $100 in each month. And
Hmm.
so we can talk in this time with your website, because I think the success of your website is my success. When you will
Yeah.
generate the client from here, you will get the student for your course, then obviously your website will be up. Otherwise you will close the business or something look like that will be happen, and this is not my
Mm.
success. My success is when you will do a good business, then you will do more
Yes,
work on
yes,
your website. So I want that it will go on the right way and you do a good business with your website. And I think that's it.
yes, yes. No, all right, very good. Let me think about it. And as I say, I appreciate your time and the input. I think your comments are correct, and it does need work. Yes, I can see that.
Yeah. Just talk with some more other designer. They will say the same things about your website, because
Hmm.
it's your, like as it's your main things there, your student will navigate the
Yeah.
things, what is on the codes, what I will get. So if we will organize that more professional way, so I think you can generate the client from there. And obviously marketing is the main things to sell. So when
Yeah.
the website will be done, then you need to do the search engine optimization. So you will be get found your website on Google search result. And for the easiest sell, you need to do the uh, ads things, like as you can do like as the Google ads or Meta ads. So you can reach more people in a short time and you
Yeah.
will get some interested student from
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
ads. So yeah, I think this is the way to get success on a website or get sales on your website.
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes.
also the course, is it physical course or online course?
So it's both. It can be virtual or in person. I can do both. Yeah.
Okay, so if you want the course functionality, then you can do as well. Let me send you my website link so you can navigate on my website and you can see my recent client reviews and other things to choose me. Or
Yeah.
obviously you need to be more comfortable to choose a designer who understand your business.
Hmm.
So yeah, and for the
Okay.
course feature, if you have a online course, so we can make the course functionality on your website using Wix. And for the physical course, obviously when you will do a physical course, you need a subscription based functionality or one time cost the functionality. And on your course you will do the physical things, but if you want to give them some of the doc file, some of the videos, the short videos, as they are doing the physical course, but you want to give them some of the theoretical things that they need to know.
Mm, mm.
So
Yes.
so we can do that functionality as well. They will
Okay.
take the subscription on your website, and when they will log in with their email, they can see everything there.
Right. Right. Okay. All right. Great, Muna. I need to give it some thought. I need to think
Yeah,
about it
yeah,
all,
yeah.
but I appreciate your time and I'm sure we're going to be in touch again.
Yeah, sure. Just think about your website and let me know. Okay?
All right, then. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you are
Take
most
care.
welcome. Bye for
All
now.
right, then. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.